Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 11 and name of the chapter is Perimeter and Area. Now as the chapter name suggests, you all need to learn what do you mean by perimeter and what do you mean by area. Now perimeter means the total length. Perimeter means the total length or boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter of the figure. For example, suppose it is a square. The total length of all its sides. This side, you have to add up all these sides. We know that in a square, all sides are equal. Suppose its side is x meter. So, each side is x meter. Now, perimeter of the sphere will be x plus x plus x plus x. That will be sum of all the sides. The total length of all sides of a figure. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4x. So 4x will be the perimeter of the square. Perimeter means the total length or boundary of closed figure is called perimeter. Next term is area. Now what do you mean by area? The total space covered by the figure. The total space covered by the figure is known as area. That means the space, how much space is occupied by the figure is known as area. Here, suppose it is the square. Now, how can we find the area of a square? It is side multiplied by side. Or you can say it can be written in the form of as side whole square. In this way, you can calculate area and perimeter. Now, what is the unit of the perimeter? Suppose length is given in terms of meter. So, perimeter unit is meter. When you calculate the area, what is the unit of the area? It is square meter. It is square meter. You will need to learn the units of the perimeter and the area. Or you can say, you can write in this way, meter square. If the side is given in terms of meter, then area will be side multiplied by side meter square. You have to write the unit of each term. You can say perimeter. Perimeter unit is meter and area, unit of area is meter square. Let's learn some important formulas related to perimeter and area of different figures. Now, first figure is suppose square. The formula for finding perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. If the side is given in terms of meter, then the unit is meter. Area, side multiplied by side, and the square meter. Square units, you can say square units. If unit is given in terms of meter, then the formula is side multiplied by side, square meter. Next figure is rectangle. Now, perimeter of the rectangle, formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. For example, it is a rectangle. We know that perimeter is total length of all sides. Here, length of rectangle is suppose L. So, it is also L. Breadth of rectangle is B. So, it is B. Now, what is the formula? L plus B plus L plus B. The total length of all sides. It becomes 2 into length plus breadth meter. Now, formula for finding area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth square units. You have to write area in terms of square units and perimeter in terms of meter, or you can say in terms of unit. Let's start exercise 11.1 with question number 1. In this question, the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 meter. That means perimeter of rectangle is given to you, which is 40 meter. Now we know that the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Its length is 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. That means you don't know the breadth. Suppose if we let the breadth be x meter, then what is length? Length is 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. Now you have to find out the area of rectangle. Let breadth of the rectangle be x meter. Now according to question, length will be 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. 5 times, that means 5 multiplied by breadth. 4 meters less than minus 4. That means length will be 5x minus 4 meter. It is 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. In this way, length is 5x minus 4 meter. Now perimeter is given to you. Perimeter is given to you 40 meter. Now we know that formula of perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, that is equals to 40 meter. Now you have to put the values of length and breadth. 2 into length is 5x minus 4, breadth is x is equals to 40. Now 5x plus x is 6x. 2 into 6x minus 4, that is equals to 40. Here 2 is a multiplier of left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side, it becomes divisor. It is 5x minus 4 is equals to 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2, that is 20. 6x minus 4 is equals to 20. It is here minus 4. 4 is minus. Sign of 4 is minus in left hand side. When it moves to the right hand side, it becomes positive. It is 6x is equals to 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. Now x becomes 24 divided by 6. X becomes 24 divided by 6. 6 fours are 24. Now in this way, breadth is 4 meter. Breadth is 4 meter. Now length can be calculated by putting the value of x in length. 5 multiplied by 4, that is the value of x minus 4. 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. Here 16 meter. Here 16 meter is the length of the rectangle and 4 meter is the breadth of the rectangle. Now we can find the area of the rectangle, as we know the formula for finding the area of rectangle, that is in this way. Here we find breadth is 4 meter and length is 16 meter. Now we know the formula for finding area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Length is 16, breadth is 4. 16 fours are 64. Here length and breadth are given in terms of meter, and we know that unit of area is meter square. In this way, 64 meter square will be the area of the rectangle. In this way, you can solve questions related to perimeter and area. Let's move to next question. In this question, a hedge boundary needs to be planted around a rectangular lawn of size 72 meter and 18 meter. That means a lawn is given to you, which is in the form of rectangular, and length of the rectangular lawn is 72 meter and breadth of the rectangular lawn is 18 meter. Now you have to plant around a rectangular lawn. That means you need to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Here, if 3 shrubs can be planted in a meter of hedge, that means in 1 meter we can plant 3 shrubs. Then you have to find out how many shrubs will be planted in all. That means what is the perimeter of the rectangle. Then what out of total length you have to plant the shrubs. That means in 1 meter we can plant 3 shrubs. Then you have to find out how many shrubs will be planted in all. Here, length of the rectangular park is given to you 72 meter and breadth of the rectangular park is given to you 18 meter. Now, perimeter of the rectangular lawn is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length is 72, breadth is 18. Here 72 plus 18 is 90. 2 multiplied by 90 is 180. Now we know that unit of the parameter is meter. Now number of shrubs to be planted in 1 meter of hedge is 3. Now you have to find out number of shrubs to be planted in 180 meter of the hedge. Here number of shrubs to be planted in 1 meter of hedge. 3 shrubs, you can plant 3 shrubs around 1 meter. Then number of shrubs to be planted in 180 meter of hedge will be 3 multiplied by 180, that is equals to 540 shrubs. In this way you can find out, you can plant 540 shrubs around all the boundary of the rectangular lawn. In this way, you can solve questions related to parameter and the area. Thank you.